میرا question ہے, there are various genetic engineering and gene mutation processes like skin cell research and stuff.
Which cell?
There are various benefits to genetic engineering.
Genetic engineering, yes.
And genetic mutation, like skin cell, like stem cells.
Stem cells, yes.
However, what are the limits to it? Like, how far can we take it?
As far as it is beneficial for human beings.
Okay.
Yes. So for health purposes, it's right, but not for cloning.
Okay.
Cloning is prohibited. Otherwise, genetic engineering में cloning जो है वो is not permitted by, is not permissible, right? लेकिन otherwise stem cells को for the treatment of any of your organ disease ailments हैं, you can use it.
अच्छा.
ठीक.
Is there any benefits to cloning?
No clone benefit. Cloning तो मैंने कहा is completely prohibited.
अच्छा.
हाँ
जी.
And Allah says कि तुम उसकी creation में you want to change the creation of Allah.
हाँ जी.
And if you do that, you will be put to hell.
अच्छा.
Jahannam is your final destination. अगर तुम cloning वगैरह करते तो although you can do it.
हाँ जी.
But Allah Ta'ala does not like this.
Okay.
Otherwise, all genetic engineering is good for your. As far as it is useful, beneficial for human beings or any of the creation of Allah.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
Cloning में तो you are spoiling the whole genetic system.
हाँ जी.
ठीक है. Right. ठीक है.
जज़ाकल्लाह.